So today I'll be showing you how to enable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, do not forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings, and then under settings, you're gonna go to advanced features, tap on that, and then you should see one-handed mode. You can enable or disable it from here. Now with the option enabled, you can always tap on the option to see how to bring up the one-handed mode. So you have the option to swipe down, or you can have a button to set this up. But the easiest way is to have the gesture. So it says swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So that means if you want to enable one-handed mode, just swipe down like that, and you can either bring it to the right or to the left and use one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.